See, they can help you headline. Hindustan Times the massive rally in Imphal Valley against Afaspa Haiba Equity policy Yauri. Aduga the Hindu the rally organized in Manipur against Afaspa and civilian killing Haiba Pau Yauri. Aduga the Hindu the Atopa Manipur related of Pau Mada Jantar Mantar Cookie Joe Mar MLA Singa protest over Aduga separate administration Pina Bagidam Taxan Grave from Yauri. They can herald the Prime Minister Manipur Chakadavani Amno Home Minister resign moral ground resign to Godavani have India Blocky Wafam. They can herald the Fongi. Business standard Prime Minister Manipur Chakadavani Amasung Home Minister moral ground from Tadukadavani have a Chaman of policy India Blocky Wafam see Ekoki news headlines that Narendra Modi Amadi Amit Chagi photo Hapago Fongi Central Amasung State Government act to Godavani Supreme Court act over the Haidan Supreme Court na Monday Mita Takiva order Adugi Wafam Sina Times of India Yauri. Hindu the provided details of property burnt looted during the violence of the Supreme Court na the property Mangta Angiva Amadi loot Togiva Amasung Migi property the Leshanba Amasung encroached over Masimam details PU Haidana Supreme Court ki High Wafam say Hindu the Fongi Indian Express that Chapman about Pause Mupongi. Aduga Indian Express Tatu Pamuda 55 acres of illegal poppy cultivation destroyed in Manipur's Ukrul. Ukrul district acre 55 poppy cultivation Toromba Masi Mangangrabagi Pause Yauri. Aduga Telegraph Tera Muka 14 acres Kangpokida poppy cultivation Mangangrava Pause Yauri. Aduga India today the Manipur authorities na 55 acres poppy plantation Ukrul the Ukul the Mangan and Grab of Yauri. Nasiki impaled of Homomori Pauses in the Isel Express. Musing and so Yadano Manipur Mut Piaroi, Apaspalo took them have a walk to Cre, Manipur Machetana to Gainabo, the River for putting Kangminasi have Amukoki President Nandogi Wafam the top headlines already. Manipur Mausa is Saktam Han Naba demand of the Nogohatida silent protest at a gray. Cookie MLA Tara separate administration demand to Dura gentleman Constitution have a policy Namapu Pow in Ichel Express go in a phone. Now Todanga Apaspalo to Manipur Kaivia have a concert Pantokre, Modi the Nobel Peace Prize key, Mang Brigada, Manipur Hanakalu have Amukoki President Nandogi Wafam. Manipuri Union, Manipur Dagi Union Territory Pig of the Haina Cookie MLA Sing Yawa sit in protest gentleman to the Pantokre. Mio Amal no mother thing river over things a sea shoe Mio Big Hong Kong no Bugman tell you have Pradikumari Wafam Mapuroiba TV never governor has a Lakshavada police nothing but Lamdam the Pangbo human rights ni have veteran politician also you Wafam Sina Harold Tolang Maru over boxing or in a phony Sanale Bakta impal the Mio Lak and Afaswagi rally concert cre India Lengakna Masagi Marumdum in Uraptabagi Manipur da Marumdum Lengak Chanabi often Torpani Heva Amukoki President Nandogi Wafam the top headlines already. Chairperson Dunkard the no confidence Mosan Hangatre Ningthausa Lanchaki documentary Chara Yung Kolkata International Film Festival to Utkre Manipuri Iran Center State and Loshingadoni have a court Supreme Court ki Wafam na Sanaleva Pausi Moro Pausi in a phony. Pogna from the Mui Lak Henwood Infal Mayola so Kongchet Walk Kongchet Cre, Kongjang Chetpa Mi Taragamari, one Tartuna like a Nagre, Hyversina, a quickie, Moruva Pau in a Ponapongi, when a cigar in a fongi, where powder, Manipumut Piaro Lauduna, Miam Walk Kongchet Cre, in the Parliament Puari, the Han Batodo, Rai Savagi Chairman, Zabdip Dhankari Metato opposition member, Humpuga Mangana Taza the Vigi Mosen. Tangalakre have no confidence wasn't Tangalakui often ni High Court ki direction Matungina Nasi committee report Pikalakadoni Manipugi Lan Amasung Adani Wato Kanagadavani Hiduna CPI in a Tamil Nadu really check Hivasina Wheel and Pogimo pausing when a Sigi phoned. Sanga expressed up Apaspagi my touch of concert cre Manipur Chakliva may give my cat in the Alinga no court penny heaven and do Luang Amukoki President you from Wakta bomb blast case Washington transfer to Akupa NIA in a coup passing NI and a Tamlakli. NI court Ani NI court Ani Amasu in Falda Hangani. Kongjang Manu the Kaitan Amasun to Katsin Tong Lon Cre, हाइबसिना संघाई एक्सप्रेस के मरोइबा पाउसिंग ओइरि पाबुंग अहामबदा मपुंग ओइना ngasi फुंगलिबा पाउसिंग अमसुंग नेशनल मीडिया दा यावरिबा पाउसिंग दा ख्वाइदगी चाउना ngasi report तौरिबसी ngarang si Manipur da mioi lak ama henbana chatkiba wakai pungchet rally sini rally sini mapung oina miyamna laukibasi aikoi gi lengak aikoina paijagani amasung afaspa lothu haibagi kholausi yamna kanna lauke pam kamai yengbe ngarang gi rally si aduga masing yamna tan laut torkibasi tan up torkibasi ui kamai yengbi po
Miraj yam lagi thibani Manipur da pokpa khoi Manipur da leiba khoi Manipur se Imalebak se nongma matam amade khoi ning tam lebak leramba khoi ngasi khoi minai digi se hena tonna leire minai gi tamakta su orbasu samna justification amalei mangoda neiba yadi mangoda cheiba yadi mai thok tawda tawra mai tolo pira che but there is some relations ngasi thoiba irang punamak se I totally squarely blame the government of India akone taba phangi akone here sedigi itatan taba phangi media through the media ngasi Manipur media digi hena like Hindu ka se India manung the largest okay publication ki Hindu ki mai ki news or my publication is a very fast adigi mainly in the labor sing sources sing shina yam na khudi hen bugum tawi maybe makai publication masing yam listing lakta lak panina aduna suram basu jai akoi shina some sort of a control or command or restriction kar labor khotpra akoi news tagi de moine yam thini hele secondly coming back to your questions yangbiu mi lakama se tillasi ani se tillasi ohum se tillasi karino what do we gain tag daba Manipur se divide to bi gre article si ladiba punamak si akhone tawduri se India da amana haibada akhoi gi chanabi akhoi phangom thokpa right se khaiduk ta dana sum akhone tabada orally da home minister na haige na tai nang honorable nang chief minister Mr. Biren nang tamde yengu chingane ai yenge state is divided into two that means already masi chinko ki jogi makoina apa mai matungina taurira karino adu de khangdre the state has been divided into two article 14 19 21 siga right of private defense this thing that thing loine period article 3 siga akoi Indian constitution the period akoi the rights freedom of speech freedom of rights freedom of movement hayo puna muse base hanadi lagthokpata natana akoi gi article 3 siga moina akoi sibu sengdokhidana lamse machet khara divide to buya bagi mase article 7 season number season dabra habis manjam chingnabam lai but from their behavior from their modus operandi from their applications of their mind ngasi tori puna mase chin kuki jo amadi Manipur da leiba sagai nate kunthra mari manga leiba khoi puna ma khaidok tan khotok na tori puna maga se Bharat Sarkar na koi gi agencies puna mak raw haiba special bureau ko lamphel da lady SIB subsidiary intelligence bureau lady madigi digi IB lady adigi his excellency governor Ras Bhavan lady army lady paramilitary force ladies the central armed police forces intelligence ya punamak na minute to minute jori base karam matam da Bharat Sarkari hangcha bajabra karam matam da ai underground mayam valley da leiba punamak ta I don't endorse it moina tawju da moi gini adu ngasi de moine tawrese chumme haiba akoi wakhan Bharat Sarkar na khode la le karam karigin habada foreigners singsina tanatna infiltrators oiba adiki koi illegal immigrants mayam singsibu home minister sab nang sunasana khangi bani nang loina tari bani laga koi lamsibu pura muthatlag Manipur haina nuai na lejeram koi punamak naga only the indigenous and the Manipuris of course 700-800 years before lakwa Muslim communities punamak de khoi de loina matam pura khoi de chamini komale there is no issue kukile kari haya khoi Bengali de pok pune khoi se Bengali na dharma se ontho pirame chakcha lakcha khoi mayak por ontho pirame khoi de Bengali ni meti khoi Hindu chapra khoi de Bengali ni khoi ga original Bengali ga nakli Bengali khoi ga se khoi karim to khoi ga mujenable leite de punamak loina hingi why these infiltrators, illegal immigrants lakpre taholiba punamak kase nakoi na khangna nohina upspas na koi siga thajale armed forces mayam loina division mamda IG mam loina leire completely loina IG CRP khangde CISF khangde SSB khangde army khangde major general amna akhoi gi IG gi reng mayam puhna leina what for and for whom Tauri Punamag, Tauriba improvised arms ammunitions Punamag Gauti the Pariba, drone Sangva, Pariba, rocket, propellant grenade, Pariba, RPG, Pariba, Punamag Simakok, the illegal immigrants in Loina Taudan Laga, Akoibu, San Mayam Migi, Assam the Bihar the Bengal the San Mayam Low Mi Charurga Parurga government get tax ki area ma kor ko ima phamduga madu pullo thamaga pungsing ku lupa yankhai chama to budam ko bi pullaga thamli bisu Bharat Sarkar Manipur the Labor Praja Mayam akhoibu khangna Manipur the Labor political parties panamak irrespective of your caste, your creed, your like punamulone tokraga hui Manipur mahli bese Bharat Sarkar sene shunging yang bidbudgi makoi ne tahun bani hai bese is it wrong on my part amute dilu hai si Bharat Sarkar karina nakoi ne taholi bese kana tholi bana thoi punamase moine mapandigi lago khui pura khopchen gen hoi nuai ne leyu hai bitu natana moine gasi mi lag manga taruk tori even a man like Mr. Laldoma Manachura Chanpur, the Chief Minister Oirega, what authority he has to speak about the Manipur and the Manipuri. Make the loin chap managin akuna lak sega procession toroga lak kari akuna pangade. We need to resign everybody. We need not to talk the INDIA, all of you. Nakui gi mas advantage ni chatlo nakuni dalisiga. Forget yes na Congress na INDIA matat noi matat min noi ne do jam lebugum tawi nakui masan fragmented group oina man ngang da man ta da man to do parliament and the Rajya Sabha so completely phagi dong na to gi bhap ta fulcrum hai nok ni me bhap to ubo phange do oiroi. The Bharat Sarkar no koi jingbite hai bese Miraj. It is totally established Bharat Sarkar na toge hairabadi ashon ba dono khan ba akhoi nethar ga thamba acha mioi kharna hairi kari prime minister lagte kari home minister lagte why they should come aigi imai pasina aibu isha natti ni indok na thambibe matungda aibu imani kobine have is it necessary to say again and again haibam thokra aigi imai pagi maki duty bound ni machakar mani hingi machakar mani kedo sige karmain to joke ni have is mani sungeng yang den makhone tokra from my side I request the honorable prime minister nangbo koine dhup dona toro koine thagat pani thara nangbo koine yamna puja tobuse nang pam dogum towi nang world ke leader ni world ke tamak nang tobiri chin ko ki jogi tamak na koine namit usallagal lady bisu na koine thinge na koine phajana mase koi loan order check to hai to why you need to import about 1 lakh 2 lakh supplies na koine tahunbagum tobugum jukhi am chingnabam poine adu akhoi bina loina Bharat Sarkar, please give a reply. What kind of article you have extra order to confine us Manipuris within the valley only? Nakoi na tahun banatro, nakoi leiba mi punamag ase, nakoi National Highway 2 belongs to whom? Kanagina nakoi natro Home Minister Ji. Nang masi reply piu, nang na ekoi bisalandi dibasa, what authority you have, Honorable Home Minister? This is my land. This is my state, my freedom of movements, my freedom of speech. Highways in Nakoina, what authority you have, Bharat Sarkar, that you want to block? 37 national highway in Nakoina, who is Chin Kuki Joy Mohit Karim Day? This country, this part of a country does it belongs to you or not, or are you not our guardian or not? Nakoina Toga Habiti, it's a matter of only 2 hours. I squarely blame you, Bharat Sarkar, the Prime Minister Lakpi, Home Minister Lakpi, you need to come. No, koi jengbi mi shibal or Prime Minister nang lag mil chani home shibal no hingan mangang gudrene ngasi nang nangi mung no thom tar no kari thom with the ke koi nuaite Bharat Sarkar government of Manipur akoi nuaite nangishu fakta the opposition party akoi noite you are not discharging your duties adru Manipur da lakama show to Delhi da hanna tabide shunta tabide because they have a strong voice akoi yin ngasi lakama man puthokni hay nongala lakani puthokni hayeng na amugi flag par aman mutawgun aman Delhi does not bother us manamudra koi mot manabi darkar lei namai paira moi bharat sarkar ko mukna se haibinate adun last day appeal level setta grhala lakpatawa non-violence, the whole Manipur citizen punamak no way disown you. Highway samasya ko satyagrahada ako na kudukule pa is there. World is there.
Okay, world is there.
World is there. UN is there. Aduna ako INDA khangde, A khangde, present government khangde, asunum adu majakta blame game. Miraj, why there should be some MLA, some minister saying this thing, that thing, this thing. Kani ki tamuk tano. 𝐶𝐿 𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐋 fathi hai fatha banati they have a strong bond and unity. I salute to those people mona koi thukai ge to bakun wai te boi watani. Otherwise there is only one leader, there is only one guardian amon hai ge mi di illi akoi di lising ama ai mana to hu mai makhong pan ching thau tur de mi nate mi te nate Narinjan lerega 𝐶𝐿 the target toruge any Manipuris, anyone who claims that I am a patriotic, I love my Manipur motherland have a ngasi kabui minus school population kabui nagairi. No, Manipur the so wrong no kun wine and lane kun lay with sige sinek adui lamni atagilum hibelite. Manipur belongs to every section of people. Miraj ji, masachumawani. The foreigners are lag illegal immigration lag with tanthoga moing a silt mitipang lag can lady. There was only one MLA, ngasi MLA who mari lady. Let there be another chief minister. 𝐶𝐿 𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐋 chief minister we be had the kun kan thing rage. You come, you lead it. Adu makoi with the Bharat Sarkar na mami to ishalga jenga moin highway punamukte jari punamase present government can I humbly request you and the present INDA yemako order praja CSOs mayam akoi Manipur mapan chat patai shakbai de khul loibe yade. We need to go to Delhi and we need to pressurize it. Akoi mayam pullaga ngasi no horen mu changchaluni horen MLA khar mo tanaruni horen khar minister mo tanaruni horen khar CSO khar mo tan kanai mo kana lugdage leader have the flag par leader imai bani chen cha ngau leire la kam putu la kani tore.
Okay pamung ngarang si pamung ekoi ki Delhi da protest ama jantar mantar da tauki haiba protest yam significant way hai tare maruina way bagi maram se kuki MLA tarana separate administration demand tawwa adaga hojik keno amasung United People's Front haiba umbrella ekoi organization of ekoi kuki singi oiba la logo mayam ge umbrella organization ani si government of India ga wari sana baje hojik khare ne yangjan na ba masi ki demand tawwa adugumba protest ama ka chanjin gi hai tare protest ki sideline da hogiba tang ma pandana muka Manipur gi Congress MLA sing yawba India block ki oiba protest ama jada madrase te tauki pabung protest ani sini aduga mapung ina la ibana kuki MLA tara si ina tauki ba protest ina separate administration gi wa
hai moi mi tarit wana
oh yes kama yimbi
oh zero
yes
me di there is only one voter and it has to apply millions adu tabak tamu khoi more countries same gani hairi nidana how they are coordinated how they are beautifully they are united ai thagli ma khoi bu Manipur thugai bu kune chak pai watani aduga hondamba khune chak pai watna otherwise makoi leadership amana haigi bada khanna yingadi laldoma mana Manipur da laga mana 𝐶𝐿 𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐋 wari amoi wata to risakarigana because they have high respect for their community, they have a high respect for their own people. Hai wahim leine ko makoina motherland our mother country we have nothing to say masin moi khen Manipur to kahin ba yaro ina kana akoina haibi wane otherwise am the kanni jembu makoina ngasi white man ama Tony Louis haibi nu pas Bangladesh to ga lamaga to na khotna mukhi gi Christian country ma same bagi tawgi plan ka tormi kholi punama se machi punama sna moile chalaga America da chalaga American Baptist Church Council ka sogot pa kot pa Tony Louis khoi kangbu khone tawna he is an ambassador and mark se chalaga tomin Bangladesh se toramba de khoi Mizoram de lam lowa Bangladesh gi lam machem lowa Assam de lowa Tripura de lowa Manipur de lowa se punama se plan se loi tawri bani if I am wrong please pardon me makoy religious ki jam attachment ama jam white man ma tampuru the rule to to me haiba wakan ama absolutely a wrong notion am lady na moida Miraj ji mo the high handedness of so called their 5i ka haidana okay the white men ngakni like the Australia like the New Zealand like Canada like America like okay asum okay 5i ne kun haida di loire ka haidana asugumba hegemony gi am lady haba masi to bodi gi se affects ngasi chin ku ki jona asug jamna mapang kanghale base there is a very very strong region handang batani jingbiu George Soros naga tawriba 11 billion dollars India amada ati country Bangladesh thugaiba amor se to makut masa jawri puna which he admitted that the man Mr. Modi is India is not a democratic country as a Pakistan kanogi Kashmir ga se loina independent pe thokurna hari se makutum gelei bese aduna sumai to bose se puna mang se kunan lakama se to nothing lakama kai se thogu do natte India government na taroi haina tada bani we are too late adubo asumai na khoi to bodi yate akhoi se kari gum khoi di non violence akhoi kari gum khoi to bodi yate we don't trust the present government so also we have a less trust on the INDIA makhoi gi di golden opportunity ni mase moina maximum service to bu jaba khotpa apaba praja mayam ga kari to ro we are asking nothing we are not asking separation from the government of India our state or erstwhile country and nation should not be balkanized haibatan yakun haibase kari yakoi manadri se kari no thagat pa jaba nganang akhoi marup yamna luna tinijaba ene yam admire to jaba Mr. R.K. Anand amade yamba ojoy makhoi kharan nganang hai gi ba ngarang ai newspaper na happy thing jing se gi
yes
hai ba ki rebudi hai ga no you are right ai yamba ojoy I salute you adigi especially like Dr. Nara whom I have a very high special regard like the R.K. Anand hai ba ki rebudi why you should become a politicians aina kari hai ba ki but why should I become a panelist here I don't want to be purchased that my mouth to be shut no I say kanam ne ngod hai governor na phar ni sian na phani phau phang to why I am here to tell the truth you like it or not I have a respect for the governor for the prime minister for the home minister all the CSOs and the chief minister I have a respect adu noina karim da tawung amaktrabani na akoi no khoi waro bada why you should not be happy on us and if you want to arrest anybody you arrest so what but can you arrest my words you cannot aduna sengna harabada kuni se tawri se kadu so iroi min asu masung to de min issue matang thon de akoi leader se jaman ge ba Mr. Miraj masina government of India na karim da ushit pi daba aduni min amakakkan haiba moi mitre phamo jantar mantar ga phamba horei ka se kole first thing government of Manipur why and the honorable speaker no I am not honorable speaker and the chief minister why you couldn't manage to suspend this people this MLAs mitara are they not the employed are they not under the establishment of the legislative assembly they are also a payee Mukusha Torpchari Bani, they cannot say that now we sacrifice it.
Yeah.
We all the CSOs, we are sweating it.
yes Paul
And the Mohiti Torpchari, Masibos and Noina, Chihima Makachihin and Noina either banned or is suspended or you were displaced of it. Tobungam is it not the weakness of the Manipur House of Assembly and or the Manipur government? First thing is Nasagi Mingsheni Yengo. How for your credibility you maintain? You have no justification. How did Amane Jadri, Amano Injangani, Amo Jadamo Tugagini, Amono Togun? Though that means you want to bring the 𝐶𝐶 𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐋𝐘𝐈𝐒 as a chief minister, or you bring it anyone. Amamato, Aquan have the Sikitan Jadri differences, Toxi, Birin Patrician Geshin Dopu. No, but if he does well, Narang Nanmater, Inland Permit issue the city convention pardon my address to my people I really appreciate as a chief minister not Biren I don't know him much in detail but what he had discharged his duties how much the achievement to give us I highly appreciate as a head of the government aduna masi koi sigat toriba nongan mitaba sumaina koi procession chatpa amana amabu mai thanaba amun upspa cha thokne bese koi hande khange government of India shoida tabukne koi khange I have in couple of occasion government indications phangbaga koi men tawroba jai why not the government of India upspa lan thui mafam dui the mohne tobangam draga valley the morning at the no I strongly support and I strongly object the government of India's na koi policy. You are biased and you don't want to see that Manipur and the Manipuri and you want to apparently some people are very strong people are behind to balkanize Manipur. Tobu yaroi. Prime Minister Lakpalabu, Home Minister Lanigan, why you should shout? Kadu mite no him no louder Karigino, Kaitarka Lege. Knowing a Labusai, Pipu Shihiba, Ishanicha Shield, but Hingan Mangadro. Karino, Prime Minister Lakpul, Mid Lawan Lakum, Ikaider no koi. Ikaider no koi. No she tasted to Tom Matar, but the Matun Tangalichin and Duntam, Moina Shitaba, a quick group Yamanba, a quick Tabuk Tobungam Daba, a quick Shiba Kiba. Adu may type the top on a Bharat Sarkana ko swinging in Bugum Tawi. Hibis, a quick Massimo hanging a librene. That's impal Nang your pepper doesn't go out. Your voice is a voiceless. Beyond Gahoti it is a voiceless. How the Hindu Chennai Tauri, how this pepper all even like the notice in Yagi notice TV Matang, the Gahoti the Katorika do. Mina Kanatori, a quick news Kasakar to Chalani, a quick news, Moina Mukak for a corporate censor to work in a Kangde. First thing, we need strong unity. Delhi Punamak, I don't mean that only the Manipuri, no. Manipur belongs to every section of people.
Okay, Pamu.
Everybody should participate.
Yes, Pamu. Ngarang si Pamu Guwahati da amasung Kerala da amasung South ki tongan on from sinda Manipur gi matang da parliament da khana gada bani haiba ekoi gi protest me am to haiba tare. Now Manipur gi lairibe issue si solidarity me ama India ki tongan ton from sinda gi lakpasi tatana thikneri Pamu. Kai hebi ni matang si.
Miraj, masi freedom of speech da bigidam Masa INDIA as persistent pressure. Ling and Hanadikis must with the P the Bajate, have a time allotment, showed much deliberation of Pigidam. Masa house the double totrium among the more than 1 month, 2 months before the as a Marsal on a Chaitra Mari, in addition to my duty, I work in a small place in some places. Ekangi. Tham Ani among the government, the Togudri Punamakta Department, Punamakti, Loina Party, Punamakti, opposition party, everything opinion, Lorubani. Mati Matunginda, which is a very top priority, which is a less priority. Matam workout Toga, Moyam opening Joroka, low in a speaker, the approval Toroga, the low in a Mukam circular Torpim. On the day of the Mamanus, Mamanus, Lady Bunny, everything. Was it a woman to Mafam Punamakti Lakam to but it is too late. It is too late. Aina Pambadi. Hojak lady as per the medium. INDIA groups in the fragmented group Oiba. Congress ki leaders Yamatakta allegation and charges lay. Parliament the Chalaga parliamentary discussion Matanga, Toguda was in Gang was a Kanasu Ayamangang de. Only by the Congress ke leader ga or TMC kari mohua ga tuha ga moy amanika lady moy mayam se na pung mari mga se mas chongchal ngang baga madi Jairam khoge khare amanika lady kharge khud ngang da bin tawri khar tawr matam sul mi di matam the specific matam piri opposition the or questions raised to the questionnaire singitamak the 3 hours 4 hours 5 hours piri out of 543 the masi matam se khaidok putanja da Aina ngata pungani ngang likhete how about the others one complaint to rakhode di matam phang diena amu government mu hairi akoi leader of the house or natri akoi ruling party the muhairi parliament we have allotted your time 4 hours 5 hours 6 hours moi masing na to muhaina de Mamata Banerjee no you come to the point akoi akles kone so haira akles jadu kone so na koi na adani gata tanan leiranu other issues let us discuss it haire government hire a leader of the house ki behalf to somebody they said home minister no koi the matam piri why unnecessary why you waste time you come to the point hai aduna mase sing na harabada hojik tawriba langai bu kholi pun say it is good to do support phangi khungi but after that doctor is invited asini I say again and again INDIA particularly the Congress party you have enough time this is an important opportunity na khoi na masigi advantage lo achumai tamakta to you never know that next year what the result will be but you seem to be, you're behind, very much behind. Manipur the labor Congress ke leaders me amai kok na nei hangachagi, I have nothing to say. But I say one thing, Manipur the thoiba situation ga Delhi the thopaga mase manade. Delhi di nong tarakadore haraga Manipur satin khanbado Manipur government daji tauri sumaina Prime Minister haidri mamang da Manipur satin khanbado Congress or led by the INDA Congress or other party, you must be vocal and you must pressurize your leader that not to waste time in the parliament. Aduna manamuduna masi tori puna masi nohi advantage lahu apabada, don't waste war. But the achum puthurapugi tamakta, this is the right time for you INDIA. You vocally, the whole world is watching. Whole world is watching and people are with you, but you seem to be behind it. No, Delhi diga harektor but no karim talk daba. Delhi does not consider INDIA. Manipur belongs to India. I repeat again, I dare to say, INDIA, then Manipur does not belong to Manipur does not belong to under their command and control. They are not very keen to solve this issue. The INDIA or the present government, are you going to sit tight or you shut your mouth? No. Delhi the directory. Adi Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Pangtra, Priyanka Gandhi, Unare, Adu Inare, you are satisfied. No, you are not satisfied. You fail your duty. Moivachala Parliament, yes, Mr. Bimol is taking up, sometimes Mr. Alfred taking up some issues, good. But the whole list, INDIA, you must dig it out. This is your opportunity. Nothing BJP Lamdao Hibernati to bring it into a peaceful solution with Tamakta. You must apprise what this Rahul Gandhi, what he knows about the Manipur. It is only you and me and the Manipur citizen, we know the brunt. Akoi the chai mayor say Rahul Gandhi ne khanga da banate. No malama chakri mat such a huge country the machali kuliya we appreciate. But the you MPs, you the Congress and you all the Manipur's leader, all the parties, including the government of Manipur, everybody, we should be in the war footing. There should not be any differences, Miraj ji. Congress or INDI gishu Manipur ni, Muslim gishu Manipur ni, Christian gishu Manipur ni, except 𝐶𝐿 because we don't recognize them.
Okay, Pao. Okay, Pao. Thank you very much. Ngasi ko ina thamjaki ba Manipur gi maru ba pausing national media amasung Manipur gi local Delhi sing da yawba maru pausing khana da sar ya biki with Manipur gi sanai ba renowned socio-political commentator Pong Kosum Sane Manibo amo na thakachari kai khun buchari. Loi na ngasi program sa hobutik loi phumi ing da biki Manipur miambo amo na thakachari kai khun buchari mayam thakachari.
SS Academic Incubation Center, Manipur da aham boina foundation song da satra sing khatta da yumfam oiba. Amadi hiramasida khang hairabo oza sing khatta na lamjing namtak piba academic center amani. Center asina idu lecture haina mingthon jaba foundation course program ama hodok jagadawi. Haina bale angang haida sidi apepale khonga pangkhakot. Semning mamong da sembaya. Angang amagi tungdi career na sembada. Parents amadi oza ni yamna chawba thodang amo. Hariba tangkagasida makhoibu takpi tambiba amadi makhongse na chathanbiba haibasi oza amagi tawdaba yadaba thodang amang akhoigi center asigi pandamdi makhoigi asonba khangdokpiraga takpi tambiba asin classroom amada satra yamanbana maram oiduna oza amadi satra gi interaction wali amadi makhoigi asonba area khangdokpa ngamdabagi khudongchadaba kaya ama mayon mahairoi habasimaktabu extra attention mathauta khudongchadaba mayam asi solve tawnabaги damakta akhoigi incubation center asida khudongchaba pizai khudongchaba sing adudi satra amadi ozagi ratio si proportional oina 25:1 oiba haibadi class amada satra 25 tagi hena thamda personalized attention haibadi angang amabu kumna yengsinbi regular grade assessment tawbiraga makhoigi understanding level khangdokpiraga proper guidance amadi revision tawbiba course gi duration na 4 months ki Shift ani lezagani morning shift na 5 AM to 7 AM, evening shift na 5 PM to 7 PM. Ahan bagi oina class 8 mahiroi sing khattagi khudong chaba asipizai. Khudong chaba mayam asigi mathakta mama mapa oiba singna adom adom gi angang singi weekly basis performance check tawbiduna khudong chaba lobiba yagan. Akhoi gi address SS Career Solution, Pauna Bazaar, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More market length pirakuna akupa marol khangi bayagani